This play begins with runners at first and third base with 2 outs.
There goes the runner, and here comes the runner home, and we're going to get interference is going to be called on Haas.
Federation Rule 7, Section 3, Article 5. Batting infractions. A batter shall not interfere with the catcher's fielding or throwing by A. Leaning over home plate, B. Stepping out of the batter's box, C. Making any other movement, including follow-through interference, which hinders actions at home plate or the catcher's attempt to play on a runner, or D. Failing to make a reasonable effort to vacate congested area when there is a throw to home plate and there is time for the batter to move away. The penalty? When there are 2 outs, the batter is out for the illegal act. When there are not 2 outs and the runner is advancing to home plate, if the runner is tagged out, the ball remains live and interference is ignored. Otherwise, the ball is dead and the runner is called out. With the pitcher in contact with the pitching rubber, R3 breaks for home in an attempt to steal the base. Before the pitcher commits a motion to pitch, the pitcher legally steps off the rubber and becomes a fielder. This still shot shows that the pitcher stepped off the rubber prior to throwing the ball to the plate. The batter, despite having time, does not move out of the way of the play and actually attempts to bunt the thrown ball to the plate. It's important to note that this is not a pitch ball, but rather a thrown ball since the pitcher legally stepped off the pitching rubber. The batter interferes with the catcher's ability to make a play on the thrown ball. Since this play began with 2 outs, by rule the batter is ruled out for the illegal act, and his at-bat is over. No runners may advance or score because of the illegal act by the batter. If this play would have begun with less than 2 outs, then R3 would have been ruled out for the illegal act. R1 returned to first base, and the batter's at-bat would have continued with just a runner at first base. However, there are 2 outs at the start of this play, so by rule, the batter is out for this illegal act, ending his at-bat in the half inning. No runs can score.
Drop the bat. That's just a feeling you get.
There goes the runner, and here comes the runner home, and we're going to get interference is going to be called on Haas.